Do Not Disturb is a very helpful feature on iPhones. These can be set up on a schedule of going to sleep and waking. It can also be set up at different times of day when you don't want your phone to disturb you. First place and way to access this is by going to Settings, scrolling down on that main page to Focus, clicking there, which then opens up another menu, and click on Do Not Disturb. Once you click on Do Not Disturb, there are different ways to set up custom schedules or just turn on and off. Another way to access Focus is to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This accesses the control center. Here again, you'll tap on the crescent moon icon and then click on Do Not Disturb.